Odoland 304 Stainless Steel Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Cook up tasty meals in the wild with the Odoland 304 Stainless Steel Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This set includes a foldable camping stove, non-stick pots and pans, plus plates, bowls, and a complete cutlery set. It's lightweight, compact, and made from high-quality stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, or family camping trips, this mess kit ensures you have everything you need for breakfast, lunch, or dinner around the campfire. Pack it all neatly in your backpack and enjoy gourmet meals under the stars.